Hardpoint is ours. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint locked down.
Enemy down.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint identified. Capture the objective. Hardpoint lost. Hunter-killer drone ready for deployment. Hardpoint is ours. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Enemy UAV spotted. Hardpoint locked down. We've taken the lead. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint is ours. UAV online. Hardpoint contested. Capture the hardpoint. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint is ours. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
Enemy down.
Hardpoint identified. Capture the objective. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint
Enemy
contested.
in sight.
Hostiles have the hardpoint. UAV online. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Hardpoint locked down. We've taken the lead.
I got shot.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost. UAV online. Hardpoint identified.
Tango down.
Hardpoint is ours.
Enemy contact. Enemy down. Reloading. Changing mag.
Taking the lead.
Enemy in sight.
Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint lost. Hunter-killer drone deployed. Friendly predator missile inbound. Hardpoint locked down. Capture the objective. Capture the objective.
Target down.
Capture the objective. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested. We've taken the lead. Hunter-killer drone on standby. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hunter-killer drone deployed.
Enemy contact.
Enemies advanced UAV.
Enemy down.
Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested. Hostile stealth chopper inbound. EMP systems ready. EMP systems incoming. Destroy enemy SAM turret. Enemy SAM detected. Predator missile inbound. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Destroy enemy SAM turret. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint protected. Capture the objective. Capture the objective.
Enemy down.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Hostiles have the hardpoint. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Capture the objective. Just another day. Good job.